Hey guys, just got our Blu Technology water softener in today. So now that I have the AR3 water filter system and the water softener, we are going to go through the Blu Technology water sanitation process. So the first thing that we have to do is turn off the water, relieve some pressure, and then we're going to take the tasty filter out and we're going to put the 2 packets in where the filter was, leave the filter out, and put the canister back on. From there, we're just going to turn it on, go back into the camper, and then run all the faucets for 15 minutes or until the soapy, sudsy, foamy is gone. And at that point, the lines are sanitized. And then later, we will do the freshwater tank, basically the same way, only I don't have one of them Nautilus systems. So I'm gonna have to pull everything from here and go to the back of the camper. And because I have an 80-gallon freshwater tank, it's gonna need 4 packets because each packet does 20 gallons. So we're gonna do 4 packets and we're gonna fill up the freshwater tank with 80 gallons and let it sit for 15 minutes. And then we're going to drain the water tank, fresh water tank, and then we will fill the fresh water tank back up, drain it one more time, and now the fresh water tank has been sanitized. So the first thing we're going to do is take off that tasty filter and load up some sanitizer in there. Okay guys, I got the AR3 sitting up here on the little table, and what we're going to do first is we're going to loosen up the, let's see, we gotta go that way. We're gonna loosen up the tasty filter and unscrew this. And get it out. We're gonna pull that filter out of there. Set it aside. We're going to get rid of that water. Okay. So now we're going to take our packets. What did I do with my packets? There they are down on the ground. So each packet that you buy comes with 2. 1, 2. So we're just going to cut this open and we're going to put it into the tasty filter. Open that up. We're going to cut along this line. Open it up and get close enough. Okay. So we're basically just going to pour in this liquid. Okay. Get it all in there. There's 1. We're going to do the same thing with this packet. And there's 2. Get it all in there. Okay, 2 packets down. Now all we got to do is put this filter back on. And get it. Okay, we got this on. Now we're just going to snug it up and give it a little turn there. And if I can get it in there. Get it in there. Give it a little turn. Ain't going to do it. Let's try it on this side. Give it a little turn. That's all you need. Okay, now we have the Sanitize system, Blu Technology juice in the tasty side. So now we're just going to hook this back up and turn on all the faucets in the camper and we'll go from there. All right, as you can see, we've got it hooked back up and it's actually running through the new water softener. So it's okay to do that. Even though it's a brand new one, we're just going to run it through there. And now we're going to go inside the camper and turn off on the faucets. All right guys, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on the water, and it's halfway between the hot and cold, right about there. And you're gonna see the stuff starting to bubble in there pretty soon. It's gonna look like anytime as soon as it gets through the system. All right, and as you can see now, we've got a bunch of foaming going on inside of the sink. And this is happening in the kitchen, in the bathroom, and in the shower. So we just wait until this foaming goes away, and that's about it. Then it's done. As you can see, the foaming action is starting to slow down a little bit. So we don't have too much time left, and then it'll all clear up, and then it'll be totally sanitized.
A few moments later.
It's been about 15 minutes, and as you can see, the suds are almost done, so it's not going to be too much longer. And when she starts running clear, we turn off all the faucets and put everything back together. Put the tasty filter back into the AR3, and now my rig is sanitized. All right, it's been about 18 minutes, and as you can see, basically the only thing that's coming out of there right now is just air bubbles. So I checked the bathroom, I checked the shower, I checked the kitchen here, and all is good. So at this point, our rig has been water sanitized through the BluTechnology sanitation system. So now I'm just going to go back and put in the tasty filter, and we're going to be done. Okay guys, we're all hooked back up, and we're good to go now. So I think tomorrow I will film the sanitation of the freshwater tank, and I'll show you how that goes. All right guys, that pretty much sums up the sanitizing of the RV's water system. Tomorrow I will do the freshwater tank and show you how to do that. But before I do that, we would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe to our channel so we can bring you more content like this. And if you're interested in any of the BluTechnology products, whether it be the filtration system, the water softener, or the sanitizing solution, I've got a link down in the description area that will give you 7% off. And we would appreciate it if you click on that link and go to BluTechnology and make your purchase. That's it for now, guys. See ya!